Welcome to Section 3 of our Snapchat marketing video training. In this section, we will show you what type of content works great with Snapchat and when you should post in Snapchat for maximum results. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What type of content works awesome with Snapchat? Snapchat is not as formal as other social media platforms. With Snapchat, you have to bring information, entertainment, and value with every piece of content you share. You'll be reaching a new audience in a new way of interaction. What you can do is take a look at the Stories section sponsored by Snapchat. Here you can take a look at every single snap inside each story and make notes on ideas that come to mind. You can take a look at big brands that are similar to your business, and I'm pretty sure you will know what to do. Some examples of what could come to mind would be behind the scenes. You can show your followers the inside of your business to help them feel closer to you. Snapchat is perfect for interpenetrating with your customers. Your clients want to feel they are part of your brand story. Your team. Your team can know more about the inside of your business and what they do to put your brand on top. Of course, your team should be happy to be working with you to feel happy and fun while sending a snap about your business. Events. Launch an event or just attend an event closely related to your brand's niche. Invite people to your events, interact with them, make them feel part of your team, and tell them your story. Interviews. Interview your clients with Snapchat. Ask them if they like what you do, if they like your product and your quality. Be funny. People love to laugh. People see a lot of funny pictures and videos on current social media. Post funny pictures about your niche. Make jokes about your job, but please don't be boring. Product pre-launches. Before a product launch, always comes a pre-launch. Fire an exclusive preview of your product. People love to be the first to give feedback. Ask them what they think about your new product and tell them you will use their review in the launch day. Product launches. Product launches are really exciting. Have someone take snaps of everything happening during your product launch. Other people at your product launch event might want to also share what they see on Snapchat. So create a story so they can add their snaps to your story. Custom content. Just think outside of the box and don't be afraid to take risks. With monotony, Snapchatters will only lose interest with you. Competitions. Involve your fans and offer them prizes by making them participate in competitions created by you in the Snapchat platform. Coupons. Coupons are a great way to convert followers into customers because everybody loves coupons. Give tips and advice. Use quotes and inspirational content. In Snapchat, the point is to be fun, creative, and experiment. Keep in mind that the majority of the audience on Snapchat tends to be younger.